This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake toppers, specifically their great range of cake and cupcake toppers that come in a couple of different mediums. You have both acrylic cake and cupcake toppers and also paper varieties. And we just have a few of each to show you here. So we have this lovely metallic, you can see it's kind of mirrored on the back, gold happy birthday. It's got the double pick design and it's meant just to be inserted right into the top of a finished cake. So it's a great way to finish things off and just, put that happy birthday message on there without even having to do the work of writing. You can see it's nice, it's festive, it's beautiful. They also have some great things like this bride and groom. It's a quick, simple way to put a topper on a cake for a wedding. Gives you that wonderful, beautiful, kind of classically elegant silhouette design. And this one is just a nice black, and you can see it also has that double pick there as well, making it nice and sturdy once inserted into the top of a cake. And they also have cute little acrylic cupcake toppers. So a great, easy way to just stick a little pick in the top of a cupcake. These could even be used in pastries and other desserts if you're looking to quickly put details on things, whether you're someone at home doing some decorating for your next event, or if you're a pro in a bakery and you're just looking to finish things off quickly without spending a lot of time piping or making decorative details. For the paper ones, we've also got some cute little cake toppers as well. These are cute gold crowns. One of the benefits of the paper is it's nice and lightweight. So you could even use this as an oversized decoration on top of a, say, jumbo cupcake or something of that nature. And it's got that nice sparkly little bit of kind of glittery shimmer to it. So it's a great way to finish things off. And it's a nice cost-effective way to do some decorating that otherwise would be an intricate detail to make. And then we've got a nice little selection of the range of paper toppers that are available for cupcakes. So there's some great things like these little kind of baby shower boy themed ones, carriage, rattle, a little bib, super cute, easy just to throw in the top of a cupcake. And you can see they're all on nice little wood picks. There's things like this New York City theme, where you have your Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, Statue of Liberty, and a little cab. Nice detail on these as well. Meaning that they're a great time saver. Things like these fun, festive dinosaur sets. Cute. Little variety, great fun colors. So this is a great way to not only add detail, but also color to your treats. We've got an adorable little nautical set. It's a nice kind of blue, red, and white vibe going on. These even have some cute little baker's twine accents on them to add just a little bit of extra detail. Cowboy and Western ones. So we've got a little cowboy boot, hat, and of course our cowboy on a horse. It's actually in a couple of different poses. So we've got a little kind of buck and bronco action going on over there. And a nice little jungle set over here with just cute, adorable little characters. Monkeys, lions, tigers. Little giraffe and cheetah. There's our tiger and our elephant. A little zebra and a cute little sign. It says caution wild animals. And then we have nice, just generic ones. This one is just a cute little happy birthday set that has one large heart that says happy birthday, and then an assortment of colored hearts to go with it. So you can stick those in your other little creations just to make a fun little festive display. And this one would be cute either on cupcakes or to be used together on top of a cake to make a fun little interesting design. So you can see just from the little bit that we have out here, these come in a wide range of additional styles and a variety of colors and sizes, meaning that you have quick ways to customize cakes, cupcakes, parfaits, and a variety of other treats to quickly add those special touches without doing a lot of work, meaning that they're great for both home chefs that are looking to do a decorating project for their next holiday event or party, or even professionals, especially those that are in large-scale production environments where you want to be able to quickly add details and customize them, whether it's a special order for a customer or if you're just doing things for the holiday seasons as things roll through the year. It gives you a nice wide range of styles and finishes and things that you can keep on hand so that you have them whenever you need them. So these make a great option for topping both cakes, cupcakes, and pretty much anything else sweet that you can think of where you can stick in a little pick and add a special touch of color and flair.